Alright, this is going to be the last part of my making grips for your pistol video. I know it's a little late. I've actually had them finished for quite a while, but I just hadn't got it put out yet. So what I did here was I sanded this down with like 220 grit sandpaper, and polished it up with some steel wool, and I just put some linseed oil on it, put a few coats of it on there. And as you can see, got everything fitting together really nicely. This grip over here, I mean, yeah, it's still got that little, where I got carried away right there. I'll probably just remake this grip, but now that I know what I'm doing a little more. But, you know, everything fit together pretty snugly. They feel amazing, and they just kind of darkened up over time, especially, you know, you get a little oil on them. But they're looking pretty nice. Pretty nice. Yeah, that's about it, guys. Like I said, all I did, sand it down. Started with a little more of a coarser sandpaper, then went down to 220, then went to steel wool, and then went to a really soft steel wool, a really fine steel wool, and then, like I said, just put a few coats of linseed oil on it, and that's about it. So if you're wondering to know how to make pistol grips, I'm not an expert, but I guess that's about what you get if you do what I do. So thanks for watching.